Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. It is always a pleasure to have you here. Today I am going to share with you how to achieve this super delicious, tender, well-flavored gizzard for any occasion. You would absolutely love this. This special ingredient I'll share with you is the real game changer. Please consider to join us by subscribing. First thing first, we are making sure the gizzard gets really washed well. Lemon or vinegar does the job perfectly. Look how clean the inside of the gizzard is. Next, I added about half a teaspoon of baking soda together with salt and then poured over hot water. This method ensures that your gizzard cooked up really tender and takes less time as well. So now we will cover it to cook. Now coming back, the water has been reduced and it is cooked perfectly, but it still has a bit of texture to it. It literally took half the time it would normally take to finish cooking. I really hope you are able to try this hack. Now that we've separated the gizzards, let's cook up something delicious. To begin, I have added minced garlic onto my hot oil. Keep an eye and stir so that it does not burn. Once it's fried up for like a minute or so, add your minced or grated ginger as well. Okay, so you want to combine these two together and cook them for a minute or two. I always say that the taste of your gizzard absolutely depends on your sauce. That is why we are layering flavors right from the beginning. So now that I've added in my chopped onions, I'm going to fry until they are soft enough to have relieved its beautiful sweet juices onto our garlic and ginger. Then I will add our cooked up gizzards. Once everything is in the pot, I'm going to stir everything together until they are really mixed up properly. Continue to stir and cook on a medium heat to ensure that the gizzard has really absorbed these beautiful flavors. Once that has been achieved, then go in with some thyme. You may use fresh thyme if you have. I didn't have fresh thyme at this time, so I went in with dried thyme, but that is okay too. Next, I'll add in my Maggi seasoning tablet. Add any alternative of your choice and then go in with some chili flakes. You may also use fresh green chilies, Scotch bonnets, or any chilies of your choice. Go in with as much or as little, depending on how spicy you want your gizzards to be. Okay, so now I have stirred the chilies together as well. Now we will introduce our star ingredient. Yes, some coconut milk. If you have not cooked your gizzards with coconut milk before, I can tell you, you are missing out. Yes, my darling, get a quality one and then pour over your gizzard at this stage. You would definitely love this. To go in next, add some freshly chopped spring onions together with chicken stock cubes. And I'm adding too. Hello, if you are new to my channel, please consider to join us by subscribing. And when you do, please do not forget to activate your bell icon so you are notified every time I upload a video. So now I have stirred all these gorgeous ingredients together. I will cover it for it to boil over. Coming back about 5 minutes time, it looks amazing and the aroma in my kitchen is just divine. Yes, it looks so good, but we are not even done with this gizzard yet. Next ingredients are freshly chopped basil, Ghana your friend akoko mesa. any chicken dish. It just brings out the flavor so beautifully. And on top of that, I've just added some freshly chopped green and red bell peppers together with 1 Scotch bonnet, and then topping it up with some salt. The hot pepper at this stage will release such a beautiful flavor onto our gizzard sauce. I hope at this stage you are cooking your rice. If it is fried yams, it is frying, because trust me, once these are cooked, you won't be able to wait. Yes, cover it for another 5 minutes and then come back to this gorgeous, beautiful, different gizzard recipe that tastes so amazing. It comes out with enough sauce to go around the table. It is simply the best. And very presentable as well. If you are not careful, you pick them one by one and eat them up even before you serve your food. This on your dining table would definitely put a smile on everybody's face, I promise. Look, it is juicy, tender, really well seasoned, and it pulls off with little effort. Look how beautiful this is. I hope you are able to try this recipe. I hope you are able to share with friends and family and subscribe, because I would love to see you in my next upload. Until then, take care, my darling. Bye bye.